This 2024 Highland Ridge Open Range 338 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 39 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, microwave, slide-out, LP detector, spare tire kit, water heater, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, oven, skylight, and 43 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Highland Ridge Open Range 338 BHS is 10,295 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.